Look around you. From the giant trees in the forest to the tiny moss on a rock, plants are everywhere. But did you know not all plants are the same? Scientists split the world of plants into two big groups, flowering and non-flowering. Today, we're going to be plant detectives. Some plants were on Earth even before the dinosaurs. These are the non-flowering plants. They never grow flowers and they don't have fruits.
How do non-flowering plants produce?
How do they make babies? Instead of seeds, ferns and mosses use tiny, dust-like grains called spores. They hide them under their leaves. Then there are the big guys, like pine trees. They use cones to protect their seeds. Have you ever picked up a pine cone? That's their safety vault.
Now for the superstars. Flowering plants. These grow flowers and hide seeds inside fruits or nuts.
Let's look at the roots. They are the plant's feet and its straw. They anchor the plant and suck up water and minerals from the soil. Next is the stem. Think of this as the plant's elevator. It carries water all the way up and holds the plant high to reach the sunlight. The leaves are the plant's kitchen. They use sunlight, air, and water to make food in a magical process called photosynthesis. Now the beautiful flower. This is the seed factory. It has four main parts, starting with the petals, the colorful, smelly parts.
The sepals protect the bud, and the stamen are the little sticks with yellow powder called pollen. It's very sticky.
The pistil is in the center. When pollen lands here, it travels down to meet an ovule, a tiny egg. That's how a seed is born. Once the seed grows, petals fall off and the flower swells to become a fruit. A delicious suitcase that protects the seeds. Every plant has a special way of living. Next time you're outside, see if you can find the kitchen or the elevator in your yard.
It's time to make your notes. Flower, fruit, roots, leaves, stem.
Thanks for exploring. Hit the subscribe button for more amazing nature adventures. See you next time.